It is 4:52 in the morning. I'm just gonna walk to my gate. I need to check some emails and just do some work before takeoff. That's why I came early. We're here. Hi. So we made it to the hotel. I want to show you. It's like a little boutique hotel. I'm really excited about the shower. Hi. And this is the room. It's small, but I'll only be here for 2 days. Hey. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Yes, thank you for the room. I bet at nighttime it'll look really nice. But it looks so delicious right now. I just want to throw myself in it. I'm gonna stay here for now. Okay, so I'm going to shower and get ready. Okay, I literally just got back. I have like 3 hours until dinner. I low-key want to go to the gym. I might just do that. Let's just go to the gym. Let's go to the gym. Let's see. Thank you. Way bigger than what I expected it was going to be. And just like that, I'm back. I'm gonna shower and get ready for dinner. I think I have some regrets because my hair is wet. Like from sweating. So I'm a little nervous. I'm just gonna leave it out and let it air dry for a little longer because it is wet. Oh, let me check what's on the menu tonight. I think the place is called Cali's. Oh, Cali. That's what it's called. Hummus. Ooh, Japanese kampachi. Uni toast beef tartare. I love me some beef tartare. I missed this CC cream. Like, I forgot how good this is. The It Cosmetics CC cream. Like, I remember when I first discovered this, I had it in the little travel size. And I forgot how much I loved it. Looks so good. I didn't bring any eyeshadow. And you gotta make do with what you got. That reminds me of the Mariah Carey clip that's like, I'll do the best I can with what I got. Oh! Oh, wow, I didn't bring any lashes. Wow, that's so unlike me. Okay, time to go. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm gonna go downstairs, put some perfume on really quick, and I'll show you guys what I got for food later. I am so full right now. And look what we got. We got these like cosmetic bags and it has our initials on them. They're from Leatherology, I believe. It was so good. I literally I took pictures, I think, of almost everything. Oh, I'm so full, y'all. Okay, we had to start some like hummus. I didn't take a picture of that, but like hummus and something called baba ganoush, and avocado labner. It was so good. It was like this like pita bread with these like 2 different type of like hummus kind of things. So good. There was like pickled radish. There was like beets in this like yogurt. Oh, it was so good. Then my favorite, I think, was the Japanese kampachi. It was like this like fish with avocado and like thinly sliced jalapenos. So fresh. Then they had 2 different types of pasta. It was the lemon saffron linguine. It had a fresh piece of San Diego uni on it. So good. Literally just like butter. It was so good. And it was like spicy, but like just enough spice. It was so good. Then there was like the pappardelle pasta. It was just duck and kurobuta sausage, ragu, wild fennel, and pecorino romano. So yummy. And then for the main, I didn't have the Aleppo chicken. When I did try the steak, it was so delicious. It was so delicious. The chilled broccolini, the patatas bravas, and I'm not really a huge like potato fan, but those were really good. And then for dessert, we had a lemon pavlova, which I'm not a huge lemon dessert fan, whatever. And a chocolate chip tahini cookie with some type of like ice cream gelato. I'm so blessed. Thank you, Jesus, for that meal. That was just so good. Okay, very nice. See you.
Look at us 3 chefs. Say yes, Chef Mike.
Yes, Chef.
Chris, I made Chris off too.
I think so.
Well, like, don't leave any holes so that the air escapes.
No holes.
I use the wrong one, guys.
I literally just got back, well, a little bit ago. I just got back from my work stuff. We did this whole cooking class. So much fun. We made this polenta with like mushroom and cream sauce and a pesto crusted salmon. And then we had tres leches for dessert. I'm so sick of eating. I'm both overwhelmed and grateful for these blessings. It is the last day. I'm also super excited because my best friend is coming. I added her name to the hotel, so she's gonna come straight here. I'll see you guys in a little bit. We finished our day at 1 today, and then I'm gonna come straight here, and Shayla's gonna be here. Guess who's here? Don't worry, we're leaving, so this is okay to be on the bed.
Right. That's the same thing I thought. I was like,
We're leaving.
Shayla's leaving here again.
My bestie's here. I literally was like, the next time I record, Shayla's gonna be here. We just got to the Airbnb. There's chickens. Do you see them chickens? There's a chicken coop up there. And this is it. Ooh. Say what's up. This is so cute. Okay, reading corner. Ooh, you can sit out here. They got coffee here. They might have coffee. Ooh, yes.
Shipping container. Yo, look at this chair.
It's like not bad. Like
No, this
it's
is great.
It's
At least for us.
this is perfect. You're just gonna sit there.
Yeah. I have my high chair.
Oh my good. Wait, where's the shower?
Oh, it's right here. Right when you first come in.
Oh, I didn't see it.
You gotta shit outside.
I was like, wait. Oh, it has a big bathtub. Look. Yeah.
Okay, romantic. It's giving romance.
Oh, there's a bug in there.
Stop.
Look at it.
My goodness.
You see it?
Yeah, is it dead already?
Look at these coasters.
Oh, those are cute. They lucky, because I would have taken one. So pretty. Around with the little button thing. Yes! Vlog! The vlog! The vlog!
I've been dying for some lemon pepper wings.
Ooh!
And the best lemon pepper wings I've ever had were at Tootsie's, that strip club in Miami. My bestie's such a driver.
Yo, in the comments, tell her to get her license. In the comments.
Hold me accountable. I'm getting my license this year.
So we came to the wrong spot.
You should have known the minute she tripped.
Yeah.
The wrong place.
Somebody at work told me, I said, oh, I can't wait to have like tacos El Gordo. That's when I'm gonna take Shayla or something like that. And she's like, oh, tacos El Jean? So then I saw tacos El Jean. I'm like, maybe it's like a, you know, no, it's not the same thing.
Twin did not have the
And I'm so hungry that I'm like, what did he eat?
They're not bad. Think about us. We gonna eat food.
Esto seguro tiene unos piojos.
Everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So I told myself I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe. Yeah, but then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a.
Whoa.
I'm like, refund on the tickets. We're gonna watch it from here.
Work from home vibe.
back, is the back even? No.
Let me do your back.
Okay.
It's not terrible, but if I'm here, you don't ever gotta struggle, girl.
Oh, I love her.
Wait, hold on.
Guys, this is my dream.
Guys, she said that when she's rich, she's gonna build me a guest house in the back of her house so we can hang out and have sleepovers all the time.
All the time.
Hector's gonna be so left out.
Yo, for real.
You know, if I could go back to school, I would so be in Durham.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be cool. You
I
could
would
still do
go.
it.
I definitely could. I just won't.
Are you doing any different like techniques on your makeup right now?
Just like the thing that I was telling you about, like the blush and stuff.
Oh yeah.
The like I'll do powder first and then do the cream. Where usually I would do like
Yeah, I want
cream
to
and
see
then
that.
powder. If any like professional makeup artist saw me doing my makeup, they would probably be like, "She's doing everything wrong." And I'm like, okay, but when you see me in the street and you want to say hello because I look that good, don't ask me how I did my makeup. Period. Period. This would be like, oh my God, you know when you go to a restaurant and they have like bread? Like, I would want the butter to be this creamy. I want to watch Shrek. I mean, Shrek is cute. I love Matthew McConaughey. He believes in God and he's really loud about it. Loves his wife. I'm lucky down on makeup.
Yeah, me too. I'm just doing my lips.
Lips.
Wow, that was a productive get ready with me. We took only 37 minutes.
Period.
We out. Bye. Oh, it's right here. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. So, I don't know what happened, but me and Shayla were fully convinced that there was a Padres game today. There's no Padres game today. So now we're she's dumped tight on the phone right now. Good morning! Good morning, Vista Chula. It's Chula. Chula Vista. Chula Vista. Okay, so these are our submissions. Break as an animated character. Let's see what comes up. Oh.